Did you realize that more than 60% of all engine damage happens within the first few moments of turning the key? It's a startling fact. Most cars don't actually fail because of high-speed highway driving. They break down because of the small, repetitive errors owners make every single morning. The reality is that your actions during those first 30 seconds dictate whether your vehicle hits 100,000 miles or cruises past 500,000. Unfortunately, countless drivers are accidentally sabotaging their motors and inviting massive repair bills. In today's video, we're breaking down the 11 most frequent startup blunders that are quietly ruining your car and how a few simple adjustments can keep your engine humming for decades. Let's get into it. Mistake 11. Slamming the gas right away. Many people love hearing that powerful engine growl the second they start up, so they immediately floor the accelerator. This is a massive mistake. When you first crank the engine, the oil is cold and sitting in the pan. It hasn't reached the top of the motor yet. This means critical components like pistons, valves, and bearings are grinding against each other with almost zero protection. High RPMs at this stage cause extreme friction. Over time, this scuffs your cylinder walls and kills the engine's lifespan. Instead, let it idle for about 30 seconds to let the oil circulate before you pull away. Mistake 10. Ignoring dashboard warning symbols. We've all seen that Christmas tree of lights flash on the dash when we start the car. The problem is, most people just ignore them. That's a huge gamble. Those icons aren't just there for show, they're a diagnostic health check. Every light should pop up briefly to prove the system is working. If you drive off without looking, you might miss a critical warning like a drop in oil pressure or a dying alternator. Running an engine with no oil pressure can seize the entire block in just a few miles, costing you thousands. Don't play Russian roulette with your car. Check the dash. Mistake 9. Starting with all electronics on. A silent engine killer is leaving your AC, bright lights, or high-end stereo system on when you turn the ignition. The starter motor already requires a massive burst of energy to turn the engine over. If your blowers and lights are drawing power simultaneously, you're putting immense stress on the battery and the alternator. While it won't blow up your engine instantly, it leads to weak batteries and electrical strain, which eventually causes rough starts and misfires that do lead to mechanical wear. Turn everything off before you hit the start button. Mistake 8. Holding the ignition too long. We've all done it, holding the key in the start position a split second too long because we weren't sure it was running. This minor slip-up has major costs. Engaging the starter after the engine has already fired causes the starter gear to grind against the spinning flywheel. This doesn't just eat your starter's teeth, it sends vibrations through the engine mounts and bearings. Replacing a starter is an expensive headache. Simply release the key the moment the engine catches. For push-button starts, a quick tap is all you need. Let the computer do the rest. Mistake 7. Pumping the gas pedal. Older drivers often have the habit of pumping the gas while starting, a trick used back in the days of carburetors to prime the fuel. On a modern fuel-injected car, this is not only useless but harmful. Flooring the gas sends too much fuel into the cylinders, creating a rich mixture that actually washes away the thin film of oil protecting your cylinder walls. This leads to dry friction and can even flood the engine, preventing it from starting at all. Trust your car's computer. It knows exactly how much fuel is needed. Keep your foot off the pedal. Mistake 6. Constant short, cold trips. If your daily routine consists of dozens of 2-minute drives, you're hurting your car. Engines need to reach a specific operating temperature to burn off moisture and unburned fuel that accumulates in the oil. If it never gets hot, you'll end up with sludge, a thick jelly-like substance that blocks oil flow, and a rusted-out exhaust system. Try to group your errands into one longer trip, or take the car for a solid 20-minute highway drive once a week to let the system breathe and clean itself out. Mistake 5. Repeatedly cranking a stubborn engine. When a car won't start, our instinct is to keep turning the key over and over. This is a recipe for disaster. Every failed crank pours raw gasoline into the engine, stripping away lubrication and soaking your spark plugs. It also causes the starter motor to overheat and kills your battery. A common rule among mechanics is, if it doesn't fire after 3 attempts, stop. You aren't helping it start, you're just breaking the components that are actually working. Give it a rest and investigate the cause. Mistake 4. Starting with the wheels fully turned. This is a hidden mistake few people realize. If you start your car with the steering wheel turned all the way to the lock position, the power steering pump is under maximum load the moment the engine wakes up. This creates a massive drag on the motor before oil has even reached the bearings. Over time, this stresses your belts, wears out the pump, and leads to expensive leaks in your steering rack. Aim to park with your wheels straight so the engine can stabilize easily before you start maneuvering. Mistake 3. Running on old or thin oil. One of the fastest ways to kill an engine at startup is using dirty or incorrect oil. As oil ages, it loses its viscosity or its ability to stay thick and protective. When it's too thin or full of contaminants, it can't create that vital barrier between metal parts. Starting a car with bad oil is like rubbing 2 pieces of sandpaper inside your engine. Always stick to your maintenance schedule and use the exact oil weight recommended by the manufacturer. It is the cheapest way to ensure your car lasts a lifetime. Mistake 2. Starting while in gear. For manual transmission drivers, trying to start while in gear is a dangerous habit. Beyond the risk of the car jumping into a wall, it puts a sudden, violent load on the starter and the clutch. That jerk forces the engine to move the entire weight of the car before it's even idling properly, which can damage engine mounts and the transmission itself. Always make it a habit to depress the clutch fully and verify you are in neutral before starting. It takes 1 second and saves years of wear. Mistake 1. Relying on a low battery. A weak battery does more than just make starting difficult. It actively harms the engine. When the voltage is low, the starter cranks slowly and inconsistently. This leads to hard starts, where fuel doesn't burn completely, leaving carbon deposits on your valves and sending raw gas into your expensive catalytic converter. A dying battery creates a domino effect of mechanical wear. If your car is struggling to turn over, replace the battery immediately before it takes the rest of the engine down with it. Conclusion. The truth is, engines rarely die from one single catastrophe. It's the tiny, everyday habits during those first few seconds that slowly drain the life out of your vehicle. By ditching these bad habits and treating your startup routine with a bit of respect, you can add years to your car's life and keep your bank account full. Thanks for watching.